Echo, Juliet 1, Juliet, Kilo 2, Kilo to any southern apron gate, United 1260.
American 1438, the surface winds are 156 at 1 knot clear for departure, runway 25 left, fly runway heading.
Runway heading 25 left, clear takeoff 1430.
Quarter 799 ready for taxi.
7944, once traffic, the United 777 is, correction, 767, Greater Rockford condition has passed, continue taxi, Juliet 1, Alpha, holding point Alpha 4, runway 25 left.
After the passing 767, taxi runway runway 25 left via Juliet 1 Alpha, hold short, runway 25 left on Alpha 4.
Thank you, Grant.
Tower Cafe 6060, I far to Tokyo.
Cafe 6060, you're clear to Tokyo via radar vectors and as filed. Initial 020, expect 040, for windows to departure. Departure, Rockford Control 124.850, squawking 1004, squawk ready, please.
Squawk 1004.
1004, rebacks correct, push and start once the traffic, United 967 has passed, tail left facing north on Kilo QNH 1002, expect 25 left for departure, break American 1438, Rockford Control, hello, continue via the Kennedy 2 departure as filed.
Continue Kennedy 2 departure as filed, American 1430.
Rough Center, good afternoon, this is KLM 506 Whiskey, and MD11, with information Mike inbound to Greater Rockford.
506 Whiskey, thank you for Mike. Continue heading 070, descend now 2000, speed at below 220 knots, expect arrival 25 center.
Continue heading 070, descend 2000, speed below 220, expect LS 25 center, KLM 506 Whiskey, thank you.
American 1438, 2000 for 7000.
American 1438, Avon, climb via the SID.
Fly via SID 1430.
Hey, Rockford Tower, this is Follow Me One. I got a question.
Follow me one, go ahead.
If you need a hand with the taxi, because the taxi was kind of confusing, just let me know and I can guide the plane.
It will mostly be arrival aircraft heading for the southern apron. They will always be taxiing via Juliet 1, Juliet, Kilo 2, Kilo. If you want, you can help them out by being on standby via Juliet.
Okay, sounds good.
It's just that intersection, basically. That's
I
all.
know, it is confusing.
Slightly. I mean, the actual taxiway itself isn't, but the instructions are. Anyways,
Yeah.
Qantas 7994. Service winds are non-factor, clear for departure, runway 25 left, fly runway heading.
Fly runway heading, clear for takeoff, runway 25 left, Qantas 7994.
Cafe 6060, taxi runway 25 left, holding point Alpha 5 via Kilo Alpha.
Copy that, holding point Alpha 5 via Kilo and Alpha.
KLM 506 Whiskey, apologies, right turn now 160, descend 1500.
Descend to 1500, right heading 160506 Whiskey.
Funny thing is that KLM seems so far out, but the fact he's still on radar makes me seem that he's actually quite close.
Yeah, I feel you.
Yeah, KLM, sorry, you're like a test dummy for me because I'm just working out how I'm going to vector people in for the event on Sunday.
Yeah, I know.
506 Whiskey, right now 240, you're cleared for the ILS runway 25 center, advise once fully established.
Right heading from 060, clear for the ILS runway 25 center, report when fully established 506 Whiskey.
Negative, right turn heading 240.
T40 506 Whiskey, abilities.
Affirmative, no worries. Break American 1438, leaving my airspace to the north, Monty, come on to do decimal, late to see you.
American 1430, and we're actually going to be diverting back there. We got a passenger, he got his phone stuck in the toilet, and then his arm.
That's the most interesting emergency
I've seen this guy before. He's used this before.
Hey, from American 1438, right turn now, heading 090. Correction, right turn heading 100. Expect the ILS runway 25 center.
100, ILS 25 center, American 1438.
Yeah, I keep seeing
7994, ready to establish control. Hello, right turn now, 360.
Right turn 360, Qantas 7994.
So during the event, you're only using 25. You can't use 07.
No, we can't use the 07s. We've been given the designated datas of 25s, so fun for me.
That suck.
It's just going to be weird with the radar and vectoring in.
506 Whiskey, station the local agent descending for the flight path.
AFM 506 Whiskey, service winds are 121 at 11 knots, clear to land, runway 25 center.
Clear to land 25 center, 506 Whiskey. Gracias.
American 1438, right turn now, heading 150, descend now 2000.
150 down to 2000, 1430.
Cathay 6060, the surface winds are 121 at 19 knots, clear for departure, runway 25 left, caution traffic on the arrival on the parallel 25 center.
Copy that, clear for the departure winds acknowledge 6060 Cafe.
And anyone needing clearances on request, go ahead.
Qantas 6914, ready for IFR clearance to Tokyo. And can you maybe say it a little bit slow so I can write it down and say it correctly?
Wait, sorry, 6914, where?
6814, I mean.
Qantas?
I might get
Or...
Qatar.
okay, cool. Stand by for IFI number 1.
Stand by 6814.
Qantas 79994, right turn now, heading 040, leaving my airspace to the north, Montana, commodity decimal 8, see ya.
Monitor Unicorn, leaving your airspace to the north, right 040, see ya.
KLM 506 Whiskey, follow the toga procedure, climb 2000, right turn once 2000, heading 070.
070, climb 2000, 506 Whiskey, sorry about that.
506 Whiskey, reason for go around?
So we touched down a bit late, and we were a bit high on the approach.
Okay, you're number 2 in sequence due to American 737 on number 1.
No worries.
Qatari 6814, I have your clearance, I've already got me.
I'm ready for IFR clearance, Qatar 6814.
6814.